1. Smart, astute. She made an astute observation during the meeting. 2. Hardworking, diligent. He is a diligent student who never misses a deadline. 3. Honest, forthright. I appreciate her forthright opinion on the project. 4. Brave, intrepid. The intrepid explorer ventured into the dense jungle. 5. Happy, content. After finishing her book, she felt truly content. 6. Sad, despondent. He was despondent after losing the championship. 7. Angry, incensed. The manager was incensed by the repeated mistakes. 8. Calm, composed. She remained composed despite the chaos around her. 9. Important, paramount. Safety is paramount in every workplace. 10. Easy, effortless. Her performance seemed effortless on stage. 11. Difficult, arduous. Climbing the mountain was an arduous task. 12. Strong, robust. He has a robust immune system. 13. Weak, feeble. His argument was feeble and unconvincing. 14. Careful, circumspect. Be circumspect when sharing personal information online. 15. Poor, destitute. Many families were left destitute after the flood. 16. Fast, swift. The horse moved with swift grace. 17. Slow, languid. The cat stretched in a languid manner. 18. Friendly, affable. He is an affable host who welcomes everyone warmly. 19. Clever, shrewd. She made a shrewd business decision. 20. Tired, exhausted. After the marathon, he was completely exhausted. 21. Scared, petrified. She was petrified during the thunderstorm. 22. Funny, hilarious. The comedian told a hilarious story. 23. Big, enormous. They live in an enormous mansion. 24. Small, minute. There is a minute difference between the two plans. 26. Beautiful, exquisite. The painting is truly exquisite. 27. Ugly, unattractive. The building looked unattractive after years of neglect. 28. Interesting, fascinating. The documentary was fascinating from start to finish. 29. Boring, mundane. His daily routine felt mundane and repetitive. 30. Expensive, costly. The repairs turned out to be quite costly. 31. Cheap, inexpensive. They found an inexpensive hotel near the station. 32. Strong-willed, resolute. She was resolute in achieving her goals. 33. Weak-willed, indecisive. He remained indecisive about the career change. 34. Polite, courteous. The staff were courteous and helpful. 35. Rude, impertinent. His impertinent remark annoyed everyone. 36. Kind, compassionate. The nurse was compassionate toward the patients. 37. Mean, malevolent. The villain had a malevolent plan. 38. Excited, thrilled. She was thrilled to meet her favorite actor. 39. Relaxed, unperturbed. He seemed unperturbed by the sudden changes. 40. Nervous, apprehensive. She felt apprehensive before the interview.
Sue